Hi. After watching the video, click the link in the description to download the program.
Hi, I'm Alex Grayson, and today I'm going to show you something that can completely transform the way you work on any DIY project. Decorate your home or do woodwork. It might sound crazy, but in just a few seconds, you'll see for yourself how you can turn any project you dream of into reality in a heartbeat. I'll help you discover how to customize anything from chopsticks to baby cribs. Turn a dismantled old chair into a unique work of art and make creative presents for your family and friends out of plain wood. You'll never have to worry about imperfect measurements, bad plans, or lousy instructions. In fact, you'll be able to build the designs you want almost on autopilot, while having pinpoint accuracy and without having to follow any blueprints. And here's the best part, it works perfectly even if you're a first-timer. I myself have been using this for well over 2 years now, and let me tell you, I'm turning dreams into reality. You should have seen the look on my wife's face when I made her a limited edition, high-end dressing closet she saw in a magazine. If I'd bought it for her, it would have cost a small fortune, and this way I only spent a few bucks on some wooden screws. I'm making unique pieces of furniture most people only dream of for pennies on the dollar, all from lumber. I'll tell you all about it in a few seconds, but first, let me tell you a bit about myself, just so you know where I'm coming from. Like I told you, my name is Alex Grayson. I work in the car industry as an engineer. I used to be the kind of kid that took apart his parents' TV just to see how it works, along with the toaster, the fridge, and anything else I can get my hands on. That curiosity turned me into a part-time inventor, and a couple of years ago I picked up a new hobby, woodworking. It started out as an escape, a way to relieve stress, and soon enough I became addicted to it. Now I even wake up early just so I can spend more time in my workshop. What can I say? I'm hooked. Creating something from nothing can do that.